Okay, hi. So in this part, we're going to cover the map visualization. Okay, so here's the map visualization. This is a basic map. There's another form of map which is called the field map that is offered readily in Power BI. Okay, so the key differences are this. So let me use my graph here to show. So a basic map is used to associate categorical and quantitative information, right? So you'll see them as a data points on a map like this, yeah, as points based on a latitude and longitude. All right. Whereas a field map is more of a geographical location, yeah, a geographical region. All right. So that's the key difference within these two. So in this part of the job sheet, we are just going to try a normal basic map. Okay. So we'll click on map, and that should throw out the feature here. And let us drag it all the way out. Now you should already have your sensor data imported, yeah, from the array of things. So this is actually a data set from the city of Chicago where they have sensors thrown all around. Yeah, so we got this from data.world, and we're just trying to visualize it and see where their sensors are located. So basically, in order to get a location, yeah, or to see a location in a map, the two key elements are always the latitude and the longitude. Yeah, latitude and longitude are two numbers that are used widely to do global positioning. Yeah, global positioning. So we're not going to explore what is the latitude or the longitude, but we're just going to use them. Okay. So in this data set, we have the latitude given to us, and in this data set, we also have the longitude given to us. Right. Creating a map is a bit more tricky. So we can use Google Maps and things like that for that. But for now, we have got data that already has latitude and longitude information. So we can just take this latitude information and place it here, and we can take the longitude information and place it here. Okay, so what this does is it zoomed in towards the area that these points are being clustered. So all these blue dots here represent each of those locations on the map. So if we zoom in by going in further, we can see that this part of Chicago, and they are these are the places where they have sensor nodes that are installed, yeah, which is collecting information. Now, apparently not all the sensors are installed. There's a status in this. So some of these locations are planned and some of these locations are already installed. So what we can do, right, if you want to differentiate some of these points on the chart, we can pull in a field into this legend, yeah. So for example, if you were to pull in the status here, what happens is our data points get colored based on a particular status. Now there were two status I was talking about. One is live, the other one is planned. Now the words are too small. I'm going to push the words higher, okay? I'm going to make the font size bigger, sorry. Okay, so in this legend, we want to push the text size to, let's say, 20. Yeah, okay, so we can see now status, right? Live and planned. The live is in light blue. That means the sensor is alive, collecting information. And the planned sensor is in dark blue. Yeah, so these are all the planned locations. So if you were to click the legend, we get a highlight, yeah, a thicker highlight. So the other one gets dimmed, yeah, or transparent, yeah, not dim, sorry, transparent. Okay, the alpha gets reduced. So if you click on live, we can see all these other points that are live. Yeah, all right. So that's how we plot out a map, and it'll be useful for people who are planning on a geographic scale on where to put things, or to understand on a geographical scale on where your information is spread out, let it be sensors or otherwise.